All right, so we're going to be doing a maintenance on this freezer. This is on a commercial unit. So depending on your model, your screws might be right where I'm removing them from, or it might be at the base or in the middle of the panel itself. So just pay attention to how it is set up. Just look around for the screws and you'll see them. Now, it's super important that you do your maintenance on this unit. And the reason for that, you'll see shortly. All the lint, which has been, collected in front of the condenser. Your condenser is a very important part of your freezer or refrigerator. And what it does, it keeps the heat from your food or from your inside of your fridge. Every time you open it up, that's where the heat is transported to. And you have a fan behind it that pulls cool air through it. That cools your condenser. By so cooling, it causes the refrigerator to continue to pull more heat out. So when you don't have a clean condenser, it could cause the temperature to rise and also excessive runtime, longer runtime, meaning more heat is building up. So the fridge is working harder, and of course, more heat equates to shorter compressor life. So it's very important that you do this. All right. Every 2 months is fine, depending on how busy the place is. If it's commercial, every 2 to 3 months should be ideal. If you really want to be on top of things, do it every 30 days. You can never go wrong. All right. Now we're going to be doing our vacuuming as well. We're going to be sucking out any extra that the brush did not get. Now, you don't have to do the vacuum every month, but you sure can. But with the brush, you'll get pretty much most of everything. Just be gentle. You don't bend the fins that are here. So once it's all been done, then you can use the vacuum and blow. And go ahead and vacuum around the rest of the unit underneath and in front of it, and then go ahead and wipe it down. And towards the end, you'll see I have a special compound, which is nothing more than antifreeze. Pour some into the drain pan and add some water to it. That will help to dissipate more heat and also inhibit corrosion to the pipes. All right, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video.